Yes, I just finished an art drawing and now I'm going to save it and nothing is going to happen. Nothing. I'm serious about this. Amazing creation. Why you're not saving it?
Calm down. I'm still processing.
Please tell me why not. You just freaking close it. How dare you miss my drawing?
Stuff happens, you know.
You just freaking close my drawing. I want my drawing back. It just happened. Where's my drawing? Give my drawing.
It's normal. Wait, why am I? No, it's normal. Short.
Give that. I'm Photoshop.
Now I'm Sasuke.
I have 2 simple tips for you so this is not happening to you. Number 1, get some kind of cloud system, OneDrive, Mega, Google Drive, I don't care, it's free. Save your artwork there, and so maybe you lose the file on your computer, you already have a copy of it. That's right. And tips number 2, make your art program automatically save the progress that you have been doing every X minutes or every X hours. You choose how long. Most of the art programs have that, so go and make your art program work for you. Like this type of video, follow for more.